Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create tasks on Clickup. So first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your workspace, guys, and after that you will have here your projects. So here on your projects, you can just simply click on the plus icon over here, and you can just simply create a new list. For example, let's say I'm gonna go for task priority, and after that just simply click on create, and now we just simply go ahead and click on add task over here on your new list, and now just simply provide the name of the task. Let's say I'm gonna go for test one, for example, and click on save. And if you want to go even deeper, you can just simply select it, and you will have this tab over here, which you can create multiple custom fields, subtasks, and checklist, and you will have multiple as well over here to edit the task. So you will have the status, the dates, the time estimate, and the assignees. You can assign someone to create this task, and you will have the priority, the track time, and relationship. And you will have here the activity of the task, and there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.